Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping things up with a more powerful and complete solution, the 1800W solar generator kit with a 200W solar panel and a 1024Wh LiFePO4 battery. If you're serious about backup power, off-grid living, or long camping trips, this isn't just a gadget, it's a full energy system you can rely on. Let's start with performance. This unit delivers 1800 watts of continuous power with a 3600W surge capacity. That means it can run heavy-duty devices like refrigerators, power tools, coffee makers, and even some air conditioners for short periods. It's a huge upgrade over smaller portable stations. The 1024Wh LiFePO4 battery is a major highlight. Compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries, LiFePO4 offers longer lifespan, better thermal stability, and enhanced safety. You're looking at thousands of charge cycles, which makes this a long-term investment for consistent use. Now here's where it gets even better: the included 200W solar panel. This allows you to generate your own clean energy anywhere. Whether you're camping, in an RV, or dealing with a power outage, you can recharge the system using sunlight, making it a true off-grid solution. Charging speed is another strong point. With 1.5-hour AC fast charging, you can quickly top up the battery when you have access to grid power. That's incredibly useful when you need fast turnaround between uses. You also get multiple output options including AC outlets, USB ports, and likely USB-C fast charging, so you can power everything from smartphones and laptops to large appliances simultaneously. The pure sine wave output ensures safe and stable power for sensitive electronics, so there's no risk of damaging your devices. Design-wise, it's portable enough to carry, but powerful enough to replace small generators without noise, fuel, or emissions. In real-world use, this is perfect for home backup during outages, RV travel, camping, or even as a reliable emergency power solution. It gives you independence from the grid and peace of mind when power isn't guaranteed. If you want serious portable power with clean energy capability, this is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Check the link in the description to get yours, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful tech reviews.